Good morning, guys. How are you?
I'd be up near the balcony and you'd see birds fly past. We had a few kookaburras that started to visit daily and it was so magical.
Hello.
They just sit and watch you.
This is for you, Mabel.
I just looked forward to that moment every day.
Hi. Where have you been?
I think they must talk to each other because then more and more birds started to appear.
Hello.
First birds that usually arrive are the galahs. The magpies do the rounds. And then the kookaburras come at the end of the day. There's a whole family and they like to come at all very different times. This bright red parrot really stood out from the other birds. He would watch from the gum tree next to the balcony. And he started to get closer and sit on the balcony after a while.
Hello.
He'd sit there and stare through the window, which was really cute. Then one day, I'd been sitting outside with him a fair while and he jumped on my shoulder. Since that point, we've become a lot closer.
Hello. What are you doing? Huh? What are you...
Rupert makes me laugh all the time. He chooses not to fly. He chooses to run down the balcony. Rupert's girlfriend, Greta, she always comes along. She's always in the background. She's a very supportive girlfriend. They do fun things like dance together. When he's not here, I just imagine him having the time of his life with Greta. He does pop back occasionally, and that just brings pure happiness to see that he comes back to say hi. You'll see different birds come and go, and so that has taught me that you really need to appreciate what's in front of you. There's something which is so soul enriching about spending time in nature, particularly during lockdown. I'm so appreciative that I was able to experience this during that time.